Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick comprehensive review about this AI platform called Real AI. So we're going to review the cut through the noise, analyzing its features, the pricing, and the practical applications to help you make a informed decision about this platform. So to get started, think of Read AI as your assistant for Zoom meeting. It's like having someone take notes, highlight key points, and even let you remark important part of the meeting later. You can track things like who spoke the most, how engaged people were, and other meetings metric. No more worrying about missing something important. Read AI has you covered. It even lets you speed up or slow down videos playback so you can catch every details. Basically, Read AI help you get the most out of your Zoom meetings, whether you are catching up with your meetings or meeting with a client need. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, because with the fully packed features that make it stand out compared to other platforms. So, Read AI isn't just another meeting tool. It's a pack with unique features designed to elevate your productivity and collaboration. So let's dive into some of the standout capabilities of this platform. So one of these standout capabilities comes with privacy, which is very important, this seamless integration, and a workspace for organization together with your assistant AI and your smart scheduler. Now, talking about the pricing plan, it comes with a different plan. That's a free plan, a pro plan, and a business plan with a specially made key features for each plan that can help you make a good, you know, Zoom meetings and other key important features that make your business super easy. So you can just get back to the website using the link in the video to check out which particular plan will be a better option and a pocket free plan for your choice. Now, talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the good side and the bad side of the platform before you can simply dive into it. So I'm just going to create an overview, advantages and disadvantages of this platform. So talking about the advantages, help you boost your productivity. It also improve your engagement, streamlines your workflow, and prioritize your privacy and help you scales with your need. Now talking about the downside, the learning curve is number one drawback. It doesn't come with an Reliance AI, which is a drawback, and the cost can also draw you back with a limited customization. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Really AI and what are your experience with this AI platform. Thanks.